Hello, my name is Patrick Dennis with Youreka, and today I'd like to share with you a short product demonstration of how Youreka could transform a customer service department at a local utility company. Youreka is the #1 smart forms application for Salesforce customers. It's 100% Salesforce-native and allows you to quickly build and administer smart guided forms and checklists to your users across the organization on both desktop and mobile. For today's demo, we're going to start off as Patrick, a customer of a local utility company. Patrick is going to use a customer portal to request a home energy audit, and Sarah, a call center agent, is going to receive this request and schedule the visit to Patrick's home. From there, we'll send Michael out to the field to actually do the home energy audit. And the key is all of these people are going to use Youreka to do their work. So we begin in the customer portal, where Patrick begins chatting with Sarah, the call center agent. They discuss his request for a home energy audit. She mentions that she needs him to fill out a form in order for her to be able to schedule the visit. With the click of a button, she sends him the form, which he can fill out right from within the customer portal. When Patrick opens the form, he notices that it's got great information within it. It's pre-populated with data about him and his home so that he doesn't have to start from scratch. He's guided through a long set of questions, with each question presented to him at the right time. Additionally, the form contains some information that may be interesting to Patrick about, for example, how to optimize his energy consumption. When he's finished, Sarah is notified that the form was completed, and she can review all the information that was filled in, allowing her to have proper context around Patrick's needs and when the visit should take place. Additionally, the answers from the Youreka form serve up some key recommendations about what Sarah should do next. Now, when it's time to go on site, Michael, our inspector, uses the Youreka mobile app. When he arrives at Patrick's home, he checks in and gets to work. Now, Michael has the opportunity to take pictures, he can scan barcodes, collect information on various appliances, and more in a single user flow. Youreka also presents helpful content that helps him as he works. What's more is the Youreka mobile app works both online as well as offline, which means even if the house is in a place that doesn't have good cellular signal or internet connectivity, the work can still be completed. Now, once the forms are submitted, the data is synced seamlessly to Salesforce, and the entire form that was completed in the field can be viewed in the system, as well as key insights and recommendations for the users back at the office. Now, every form that you've seen in this demo here today is created using Youreka's drag and drop builder. It's declarative, it's easy to use, and gives business users the ability to manage their forms right inside of Salesforce. What's more is all the information captured by Youreka is stored in Salesforce, which means you can use reports and dashboards to visualize it. Now, what you've seen here today is a Service Cloud use case, but it's important to understand that Youreka works across the entire Salesforce platform in just about every industry. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this short demo here today. If you'd like to learn more about Youreka, please visit us online at Youreka.io.